Yo dudes!
Welcome to high protein savory pancakes 3 ways.
These are gluten-free, high protein, using real foods. When you go to supermarkets or stores, they're often filled with unnecessary ingredients to make them shelf stable as opposed to be designed for your health. These are designed for your health, super tasty, easy to make.
We're going to be making these in our Cuisinart Blast and Go blender, which is an amazing portable, rechargeable blender, which you can literally take with you and charge as you go. It's got 20,000 revs per minute, so the same power as a standard blender.
And it's got a wonderful jug which you can take on the go that's leak proof. We're going to use 3 different ones in the same base just to show how easy it is to make 3 different variations without having to wash it in between. Okay, first we're going to make is red lentil. I have 250 ml of water, 120 grams of our chickpea flour or gram flour.
And the benefit of getting with the water first is it just means there's less clumping. So do start with water first if you think of it.
We've got 60 grams of soaked red lentils, pinch of salt. And to make these go nice and yellow and to add more nutritional power to it, I'm going to add in a little bit of ground turmeric, about half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Next, we're making our high protein spinach and chickpea wrapper savory pancake. We have 120 grams of gram flour, also known as chickpea flour.
Yeah, and the benefit of chickpea flour is it's naturally high in protein and it is also gluten-free.
We've got 60 grams of frozen spinach. We have a generous pinch of salt.
And finally we've got 250 ml of water. And the benefit of getting with the water first is it just means there's less clumping. So do start with water first if you think of it.
Now for our savoury beetroot pancake, into our jug we've 200 ml of water,
if you think of it.
120 grams of chickpea flour, also known as gram flour. We have 60 grams of cooked beetroot. This is simply vac packed cooked beetroot. You can cook your own. Pinch of salt and lid on and blend until smooth.
This is the base of the Blast and Go. I literally charged it in the car on the way here. It's USB-C, so I use the same charger that I charge my laptop and my phone, and it packs really handy for traveling as well. So we're going to use this to blend all our 3 incredible gluten-free, high-protein pancake or wrap bases. Okay, so very simple. We're just going to add on our leak-proof lid, which has our very handy little hook here, travel hook.
So you can make these right now, or else you can store them in the fridge with the lid on and they're good to go. So we're going to start off with our green one. Secret to pancakes are?
The most common mistake that people make is not having a hot enough pan. So make sure, heat your pan on a high heat for a number of minutes until it gets really hot. Knock it back to medium. We're going to go in a little bit of oil, so very important. I'm using a spray bottle. Just I find it much more effective, so that I need less oil rather than more.
What you're looking for in terms of when to turn a pancake is that it starts to, oh look at that, starts to dry out and just look more cooked and ready to turn, and the bubbles are starting to open up.
And we always find the best way to cool off our pancakes is to pop them on a cooling rack. Just much more effective at cooling them both sides. So
you won't get a soggy bottom.
So next up we've got the beetroot pancake.
Oh, that looks beautiful, doesn't it? Beetroot one looks really cool. I love the colour.
And now to our red lentil turmeric pancake. So I'm going in with a little bit of oil again, as always.
Oh. Come on!
Wasn't nervous at all. And there we go. There is our third delicious, high protein, gluten-free pancakes. And as we said, these work fantastically well as wraps. I do use them. I've used wraps at least once a week at home for making burritos, for making quesadillas, and these work fantastically well. The chickpea flour is brilliant. It's a game changer. It's high in protein. It's naturally gluten-free. And we made 3 different colors here, 3 different varieties. They work fantastic. The Blast and Go blender is honestly a game changer. Portable, chargeable by USB-C. You can charge it in your car, on your laptop.
Link down below to order. Thanks a mil for watching. We're the Happy Pair, and that's the Cuisinart Blast and Go.
Cheers!